Continue. Last class I gave you guys some homework. Did you do it?
Yes. Yes.
You did? 1 minute.
At home. Mama, I was the first one there. Oh, I forgot.
제명 공부.
Lagera.
제명 공부. Did you do the last homework that I gave you last time? Because in the last audio
Yeah.
homework team.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Got it.
I'll go get them.
Okay. Low.
Yeah.
No.
I found it.
Okay, show me the answer. Oh my god. 정연구, would do one thing? Just tell me the answers. 그럼 칸을 넣으셔라. 이게 나요.
For the first one is 4,845.
Correct.
And the second one is
This guy, this is
1,680.
what happened? Can't get cutting back. What did you can't you but answer?
Nagaji 3,645.
Actually, correct. 4,845 is the correct one. Kangi kandi nordo chikonjuktarlo.
Oh, wait. Oh, that's.
야, 부채 샌드위치마다 티셔츠. 티.
No, the second one is 16811. I mean 18. I mean one.
Oh.
Yeah. It's supposed to be one. 1. 1681.
This is nam se kha last time ngo homework just on the current team ba.
Tiene gunda.
That's okay.
Tiene
The six one. Okay, yeah. 16818 rida answer. Somebody khar team ba.
Gala.
Ah,
Do you want me to say the words in the second one?
no, second one is done. Cause so subala tha.
Okay. The third one is 7650. 7650.
7650.
Yeah? Is that right?
Yeah, correct. This is
Okay,
ridiculous.
then the fourth one is 13187.
이거 쓰래. 아니 저 천지까지.
Yeah. The
Mhm.
fourth one, 13187.
Yes, 13187. 13,187. Correct.
Fifth one is 10953.
Correct.
The sixth one is 10099.
Very good.
Okay, the seventh one is 10624.
1
Oh, 10624.
Very good.
And the eighth one is 142184.
21.
It's like 14214. Yeah. The ninth is 1099.
Yes, very good.
Like 1010. There's like three
3 9.
nines.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah. Okay. Then the 10th 9463.
9463. Where was the
And the
question?
11th 9. The 10th.
Okay, the 11th.
The 11th is 86. What's that? I think it's 20.
Okay, correct.
12 is 8876.
Very good. This quarter, Jamia go Buddhisha. This is the answer. Dig the time back.
따이게라.
That's it. The next jigdwa kaya minus share to the next. The only thing to give lane taking the corner card to do Jamia go, you need to correct. Okay.
달라.
La.
넘버로 안 담로. 같이
Lara.
53747.
Kaya di Jamia go bo. That is it. To give corner lane low re corner the dig to the terra branch. Okay.
53747.
53747 correct. Thambo the answer the varisha. Nivu the card to you.
5489.
Very good. Stop the varisha.
5274.
5 is a big time.
Oh, 9274.
Very good. Correct.
9967.
Very good. Next, number fifth one. The next. This is window. Kaya this is window car.
68678.
Yes, very good. 6, 8, 6, 7, 8 less that. Jamia gombo takta redwa. A number 2 po dikha raha
3, 3, 5, 3, 6, 5.
3, 5, 3, 6, 5. Takta resha. Kya jamia gombo ta hote kya thar na kharche to. Number 7 di.
1, 8, 6, 5, 6.
Very good. Takta resha. Kya di.
3, 5, 3, 3, 8.
Correct. The last one.
6, 8, 2, 9, 5.
6, 8, 2, 9, 5. Very good. Someone tricked. That is good. Addition the subtraction. Addition the subtraction down. Sorry. There's only this many people today. Ani, today also multiplication jahata. You remember multiplication, right? I'll tell us the multiplication. 당분이랑 아주 춘주 아니 춘주기니 multiplication chain다 recap 치더라 니 근주 상황을 랭이야 보자. You need to answer me. 당보다 어디지 전면 공부 랭이다. 8 times 6.
48. 48.
Very good. 8 times 6 is 48. Then you can do 7 times 6 or 6 times 7.
6 times 7.
What's it? 6, 7,
I can't learn to do that. 6, 1 to 6, 6, 2 to 12.
What did you do?
Yeah.
41?
No.
No.
40.
42.
Very good. 42 jata. This is not letter. 6 times 6.
36.
6, 6, 36. Very good. Oh, this is also link to the thing. 8 times 4 or 4 times 8.
32.
Very good.
4 8 are
4, 8, 32. Or 8, 4, 32. Jamia go letter 6 times 2.
6 times
12.
12. Very good. Did you do 6 times 6? 6 times 6 plus us someone.
36.
Very good. This is not letter 8 times 4 kajra.
32.
Oh, 8 times less us.
Sure.
Okay.
Come on.
This is one in that. 9 times 5 or 5 times 9 kajra.
45.
45. This is 20 link in the this is going to 7 times 4 kajra.
4 7
28.
Very good. 28. 5 times 2 kajra jamya gombo.
10. 10.
Very good. 5 times 1 the very easy da. Sama hago ira kajra. 5 times 1. Very good. This is number 6 times 5 or 5 times 6 kara.
30.
30. Wait. This is going to 9 times 2 or 2 times 9.
18.
Very good. And 5 times 4 the kara jamaya gombo.
20.
20. Very good. This is 6 times 3.
18.
Very good. 18. 6 times 1, 6 kara. 6 times 1,
6.
6. This is 9 times 6 kara.
54.
54. Very good. 6 times 6 the mo fill it so 6 times 6 kara kin san wala da.
36. 36.
36. Very good. So these are my one digit kajida. We will move on to two digit multiplication digita. Ti sikar keba yo mata ngedla. Tamani multiplication church. Taking someone ya buta te wala number chick machine do count number ni do. Kogi dikoto addition multiplication chik chure and dine page multiplication chik chure. 3 times 2 is kazira kin someone lada.
6. 6.
6
And
way.
6.
3 times 2 6 chisare. 3 times 3
times
kazira.
3 is 9. 8. 9. 9. 9.
Anite 9. 96 the answer.
It's 96.
Very do chada. 2 times 5 china kazira.
10.
10 rada. 10 ina what digit ni your number ina. Ni ga di chama
0.
ta.
You have to put 0 and on top
Yeah.
of it you have to put 1 on the
Very good. Very good. Very good. Kin sama addition chidi us kare chiya onto. 0
And
di
that
there chi 1 di
I
gang
only
lapcha.
know times. And
Very good. Then 2 times 2 china 4 ra 4 gang di chik tigi di.
2 times
Don't
2
bet-
is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5 so it's going to
Five.
be 5.
Okay, very good. 5. So answer is 50. In the chair da. Tang Allah da. This is 3 times 4 china hazura.
12.
12. So
You have to put the 2 and you have to put the 1.
one
On
where?
the top. On the top.
One on the top of the other one.
So 4
And 4
plus
times
1 is 4 and 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5 so you have to put 5.
very good. 52. 52 is the answer. This is not saying I'll link it. The decoditive. 6 times 4 china hazura. Yeah, I'm 4 times 6.
24.
24. So should I just write the 24 over here? Until
No.
24 comes again. Okay. So what should I do?
You put the 2 on the top and the 4 on the bottom.
Very good. And then that's over. Multiplication's over. And what should I do next?
Next day. Oh.
Next day.
Four plus 4 times 1 is 4 and 4
2.
plus 2 is 6 so it's gonna be a 6.
Gangla digit need 6 times 4 times 24 raswa. And then we need to go on to this one. The multiplication okay. Number 1.
It's 15.
3 5s are 15. So I'll write the 5 down and 1
You put the
over
5
here.
on the bottom and you put the 1 on top of 2.
Very good. And then
Then you like 2 and 3 and you make like 2 and 3 make like 6.
3
Then
times.
add 1. What? 3
And
times
add
2.
And then
Then add 1. Then it's gonna be 7.
very good. 75 is the answer. Then it's into one and the number 2 body.
3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4.
Very good.
What's
Then
46?
46 is the answer. Then I'm saying on number 2 with the
6 times 3 is 18. You put the 1 on the top and the 8 on the bottom. And 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So you have to put the 2 and the 5 together.
Lola. 2D such a quality kind of woman. 8 is next number Medua. Any 25 counts a 2-digit nigga wallet theater. Dilla 18 in do. They count 6 in the multiplication cheater. The next 6 next 8 to and one chicana. Koji number never the digit never the count like what 8 gel number chimel songs 25 counts like on the wallet here. Got it. Now, the Jamia woman the number give the car.
2 3s are 6.
2 3s are 6 and 6. 2 8s are.
Then you put the 6 on top.
No.
Oh yeah, then and 2 and 6. So 6 1 to 6.
No, 2 1 to 2.
2 1 to 2. Oh, it's 16.
16. Kangi digits there. 2 3s are hazard 6 ra. Digit chick much me when a wall around here. The digit ni you win a kang king da. Right? Okay, Jamia Wombo. Maltese into number go the link.
5 times 5 is 25.
25, 5 over here, and 2.
2 on top of
2
the
on
9.
9. Very good. And then?
And 5 times 9 is 45. And 45 plus 2 is 46. No, 47.
Very good, yeah. 47, very good. This is number 10 D. Hand up.
6 times 4 is 24. You put the 4 on the bottom and the 2 on the top. So 4 times 7 equals to 28. 28 plus 2 is 50. So you put a 5 there and
Wait, think. 28 plus 2 is how?
30.
Yeah. 30. You just write the 30 down here, right? 304 as the answer. Correct. Very good. Jamila, go on 11th question.
Okay. 1 is 5, 4 is 10, 4 is 15, 1 is 2, 1 is 2, 1 is 6, 5 is 30, 5 is 35. So the answer is 40. Wait,
Yes, it is 40. And should I just write the 40 or down here?
You put the 40. You put the 0 on top of 3. Then you put the 4 on bottom.
It's 40. 40 into so the digit the wall lead. New digit on the count to it. So which one should I
The
keep
0
from
is
this?
going up.
0?
Down and 4 up.
4 up. And 3 3 times 5 is?
3 times 5?
4, 5
5
times 3.
5 10 5 15.
15 well, 15 the addition in zero.
Yes.
Should I just write the 15 down here? Yeah.
15,
Count
16,
like
17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22.
No. 15 count she don't she count like she shadow.
Yeah.
16, yeah.
16, 17, 18, 19.
19, very good. 190 is the answer. This is 12th question. Did you answer get that?
Three times 7 is 21. You put the 1 on the bottom and you put the 2 on top of 5 and 3 times 5 is 15 and 15 plus 2 is 17.
17, very good. This is 13th question.
5 times 0 is 5.
Very good. 5 times 0 is 5.
5 times 0 is 5.
No, 0.
Oh,
Any multiplication times 0 is always 0. And 5 times 4 hazura.
5 times 4, 20.
Answer is
200?
yes. 40 times 5 is 200. Jamil ko wo the 14th question dilenge da.
Equal to the top 4. 4 has a 24, 6 has a 28. 4 is a, what is it? So it's a, wait.
9 times 4 or 4 times
4 ones, 4 what is 8? It's the answer is 36.
very good. 3 gansha 6 volti. And 4 times 8.
4 times 8. Okay. 1 to 4, what is 8? 4 to the top, what is 5 is 24, 6 is 24, 6 is 28. But it's I think it's wait. 32.
32. So should I just write the 32 down here? What 32 check with wall teaching a dira.
No, you have to add.
32 plus 3 hazura.
22 plus
32 plus
22 plus 3.
32 plus
32 plus 3. 33, 34, 35. 35.
35. Isn't I'm saying my last question the
9 times 3 goes to 27. You put the 2 on the top of the 2 and the 7 on under the 3. 3 times 2 equals to 6. 6 plus 2 is 8.
Very good. Is all there will be guess that. Taking someone tab check that pen check grab G. Yuba. Tell the pen some you are. Next question. Is it the dresser? Are you there?
What? Blah.
When did you come? Tell remember. 먼저 봐도 되지 dresser 먼저 되는 multiplication 정보다 we did multiplication with one-digit number back then, but then we're doing two-digit today, okay? And so this should be cheat exercise. Next question to you, I want you to do it on your paper and show me. Okay?
Okay.
Kada len gaya ba to the question shura. The question tap na chira so chi and len gaya.
Okay.
I will solve it too.
Times. Fifteen porque ready, ready.
72 into 6.
72 times. Gila,
La,
I have a question. I have a question.
You have a what?
A question.
Yeah, go on.
What if the number is like bigger than that has two numbers and it doesn't have one? What do you do with the both two numbers?
Can you show me your correct question? I can't understand what you're saying.
Okay, I can show you what I mean. So I mean like on the first one that I'm doing, I can't really show it. On the first one that I'm doing, it's the first line that I'm doing 7 times 5. It makes 30, but I don't know what to do with the 0.
Okay. I explain to you. Mara, ni thangbo question dikito. Thangbo question dikito to say the link gendara. I will explain example to next question is continue. 7 times 5 to thangbo in multiplication code 5 the Quran the children 7 the children, and after doing multiplication with 7 and then you have to do it with 3. Now 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, 35 lana 2-digit number jota. Addition should do to 2-digit number na wala digit thangbo di de la wala sha cha 535 raw 5 the wall sha 3 di de gang la kya ta ko bang la. Okay, now 5 times 3 is 15. 15 answer rasa jala 15 gang lo la gang 3 king go sta dom burika addition should 15 plus 3 is 18. That's how you get the answer. Now go to Zua. Do I need to show another example?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, am I supposed to do the whole thing?
Yeah.
Because I don't know 9 and 7.
You don't know 9 times?
No. And 7.
9 times plus 7 times shouldn't be long. But then Wait, see,
No,
this is the
9
nine
giant
times.
Marigal.
Yeah, and then 9 times nine, Dylan, 8 times 9 chudwa. But then if you don't know 9, you can do 8, right? Here, 7 times she when 6 times 7 chine dira.
Kala 7 ko giant sir. Kala ko 9 da 8 ni giant Mar.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, table refer chine diri ka. Do you have a table multiplication table the dira sula?
Yeah. Yori gala. Koro shingyo zuma teach you what ambo ragala.
Yeah.
Okay. Shimba sama zuti.
Yeah, I need this sign.
Very good. No, my empty. Come on, chipua.
This is called.
Jo last row the tone to the last row the. Okay, very good. No, Disha. No, this is answer for so very good.
Dalmatas.
Okay. Có một chiếc quần như thế lên sang một tổ con, xu lực sang một lượt đi, phải chụp cho nó đi đấy.
Kilo. What's up?
Có một chiếc quần đấy. This is dress.
What?
Which question are you on?
Three.
The third question?
Yeah. I'm doing the third question.
Can you turn on your camera?
Yeah.
Can you turn
on third question, you have still
I'm still doing the third question.
Okay, you can just answer me. 7 times Shingora.
No.
9 times. Okay. 7 times 9 is 7 times 9 Kazura.
7 times.
Did the num say 7 times 9 Karara?
Come on, I can't act like 63.
63. Get this is just 63 less answer. Answer 63 la do 60 count like 3 g. 3 the wallet Now 7 times 3. 3 times 7 Shingora. 3 times 7 Karara.
3 times 7 is times 7. 3 times 7 is 12.
21.
I mean 21.
21 21. Can I just write the 21 down here? 21 tishan adira.
No.
No, what should I do?
Put it.
What you have to do is you got 3 times 7 times 3 jina 21 ra 21 answers to when they count gone 6 you get gone 6 you do the addition to it 21 plus 6 to what is 21 plus 6?
21 27.
21 plus 6 is 27. So you get 273 over here. Right, can't help there around and 9 times 8 or 8 times 9, 9. Ngala di len di del di tundu len ge da 9 times 8 kara then there's a la len ge ro
72.
72. 9 times 8, 72 less than. So should I just write the 72 down here? 72 the to wall to t-shirt
You put the 2 at the bottom and the 7 on top of the 1.
Very good. 7 galasha and 2 the wall chair. 9 times 1.
And 9 times 1 is 9. And 9 plus 7 is 16.
Very good.
16.
16 ra. Now this is 4 times 7 kara.
4 times 7 is 28.
28. 28 into 28 counts a wall and shandira.
No.
So what should I do?
Put the 8 on
Put the 8 on top?
on the bottom and put the 2 on the top.
Put the 2 on top of 8. Okay. Now 4 times 8 kazura.
4 times 8 is 4 times 8 is 32.
32. 32 dilchi shaganga. Should I just write the 32 down there?
No, you gotta put the 8. You gotta put the 2 on the top and you gotta leave the 3 and the 4 together.
4 because 32 plus 2 is 34, right?
Yeah.
3 times 9 kazura.
3 times 9 is 27.
27 into 2 the delashagi 7 the wall keep 4 times 9 kazura.
4 times 9 is 36.
36 plus 2 chura. Count the 2 game ba. What is 36 plus 2?
38.
Very good. 38. Now 58 chigura. 58 nangone. 59 into 2. 9 times 8 chigura on the kazur lavaina. 72 rida. 72 into 7 the count like 2 the wall t. 5 times 8 kazura.
Wait. Wait, what was the question again?
5 times 8.
5 times 8. What's the 5? 5 times 8 is 5 times 40.
40 plus 7.
40 plus 7 is
40 plus 7 is 47.
Thế còn là cái lên cả 6 times then nghĩ khăn del chỉ ra của cả mà chính đi ta 6 times 7 thì khá rồi là 7 5 so 35 7 6 are 42 7 times 6 is 42 4 gang là sha 2 the wall chi 6 times 6 is 36 36 plus 4 is khá rồi là 40 right
Yeah.
and 8 times 6 khazurana 8 times 5 is 40 8 times 6 is 42 42 into 4 the count like to the word 3 times 6 khazura
Mama, can you help me do this one?
3 times 6 khaz
3 times 6 is 18.
18 plus 4 chiwa na khazura
18 plus 4 is 32.
32
I mean 22.
22 it's got 8 5 it should be 48 now 7 times 3 3 times 7 is 21 2 the deal 1 the wallet 7 times 7 the 49 49 plus 2 khazura
49 plus 2 7.
49 plus 2.
Does it? 49 plus 2 is killer rotation.
51.
51 very good 51 this time 9 times 2 18 re 18 into 1 the down kan sha 8 the 2 chika and 9 times 8 the khazura lanna chamya go 9 times 8 khazura 72 kwani 72 la so khayan 72 gang lo la gang chike round 72 plus 1 is 73 nangal the last the gang da le 72 se khali 2 ra la da 9 times 8 khazu gran sa la so 72 re ani ta nga kha 2 ra le ga da
9 times 8 is
9 times
72.
72 so where do I need to write the 7 and 2
The 7 moves to the bottom. I
7 to
mean,
the top
and the 2 is on the bottom.
Now 4 times 8 khazura la da
4 times 8 is 32.
32 32 plus 7
32 plus 7
32 gang 7 dom kyang la pa gal 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 kazu sha da dom na
39.
very good chamyang go bo da tin ji ti du ka answer ti ge shura gang za de ni ti do to ka ri do ta del tan di ba ji da to ka ri do gang ba chamyang go bo da sam ba
Okay, let's I don't see that one.
통기도
Oh, yes.
이거디 가리도 42 레드 somebody 가리도 273 레드
ang so tek ka han ti re de gang
근데 됐다 387 레드와 42 레드
47.
얘기하려고
Yeah, 472 where?
됐다 얘기하려고
Yes.
402 레드
402.
되나 주란 됐다 얘기하려고 했다
Is it correct?
228 right there.
228. That's right. Sure. Gila, I got
So-
some of them wrong. Yes.
Which one?
738
738. Yes.
392.
Jamil, go
Yes.
continue to learn.
Getting a ton of right score.
Very good. Continue to.
A ton of right score.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got one wrong.
Which one? Which one did you got wrong?
That's my last one.
No, this is Jamil.
Third one. Oh, this is addition.
Which
Wait,
one?
first subtraction. Oh, first subtract. Two subtractions and one.
Jamil, bộ khăn cần đi wrong sẽ xong là không sao sao.
Wait, I'm not wait. I got the third one wrong.
Oh, you got the third one wrong. Hard to answer la.
Yes. I put like one, then 6, then 2.
Oh, 100.
Yeah, 2.
Okay, now cái con con ta sẽ nani nó đi có số to học được đấy.
But I fixed it.
What?
But I fixed it.
Okay,
I fixed it.
very good. Cause là cái công just a minute. Chẳng ai khi chứ nghe con trai thì thằng người đông thì khai chi nó two digit chi ba. Thế thì gang lo là three digit li ta. Three digit lên na cái gì cái chura. I mean
Hello?
la.
Oh, yeah, put them in door.
Aha,听你的干嘛去过？
Yeah, no, yeah, put them in door.
là nó không có được à?
Yes, down yeah, put them in door.
Okay. Như thì ngồi cho number chick run chick multiplication chi vậy nè re ni multiplication chi vậy nè re so multiplication chi đang bị càng chick của rồi mà xin number càng ra number chick to thì về mà đồ mà xin chi đang sang mà càng ra chick càng được ta 5 times 8 is 40 40 into 4 thì càng được cái zero the wall chi 5 times 6 is 6 5 sa khazura 30 re 30 kang la 4 di kang kin shu di tom tu 34 cha sa 4 the wall ti 3 di go ne kang kin kha jin na del number do mun do te pha do 5 times 4 is 20 20 plus 3 is 23 now you get 2340 as a multiplication chi dan chi bu chi kang number kang chi to de di the le do chi bu chi kang de da len de de go zu zo kin sang ma 我就说 Am I going too fast? 我就说听到吗
Good.
Yeah.
So.
You think you can do it? Can you get this question to the chitu sara?
Yeah.
Chitu sara?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it's a little bit too big for me. So I don't think
But I
can
think
do
you
it.
guys can do it. Kind of not 2-digit chitu and 3-digit chima to a kind of It's easy.
I don't know, but
Once you try, I think you can do it. Everybody. Okay. Tanga thamunya la this question de tin nam se thik de tin nam se ngalen ki ta 8 times 5 khajura 8 times 5 tin nam se
40.
40 so 40 chivana 4 di gang de ki 0 di del chi now 5 di da del thamunya la multiplication chi ti chi se chala del chi and then last the del chi hota Now 5 times 0 is 0. 0 gala 4 don't buy enough 4 round jare. Now 5 times 9 kazura tenzit namse
45.
45. Tindu round jare chugu chigan le lao shure tenzit tindu haldi la question number somebody lenge da.
There you go.
Somebody did.
Tenzit tindu inda.
You got it. 7, 8 seconds.
7 times 8 is 56.
7 5 35 7 6 42 7 7 9 7 8 hazara 56 pakola 5 de delki 60 volti ani 9 7 sa or
7 times 9 is 63. 63 plus 5 is 68. Ah!
Write the 8 down and 3 on top of this. 68 leva. 68 is and now 7 times 3 or 3 times 7 hazara.
Wait, what?
39
7 times
multiplication
3. 7 times 3 is 21.
21.
And
You added
21
something
plus 6 is 27.
27, very good. The easy redwa. Now jamang hobo can't try chida. Fourth question we can't try chida.
Oh, now I get it.
Jamang hobo in the. Okay, there jamang hobo can't there you go. Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, check. What was that? I lost. Lava. No, that the jamang hobo 9. Now fourth question they try chata 9 times 8 kazura.
I can't see.
Yeah, I can't see.
You can't see? There's a tone on the question.
Okay, what?
Come on, finish.
No, not. Before I didn't see, now I see.
Okay, now tell me 9 times 8 or 9 times 3 mara. 9 times 8 is 72 right? So how you gonna?
I told me.
Dang told me.
Okay.
Everybody else transition but someone told that is to do say Shannon say someone told that. Okay. I think it is Jamil was network issue.
Two washer.
2 wall come to qua. 2 wall shot and 7 the gala shot. Honey? 8 times 0 is la.
What? 8 times 0 equals 0.
And then gala chick shadow.
Yeah, there's like a 7 on top too.
Yeah. So you have to add the 7. 8 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 7.
What?
8 times 0 chiwana 0
Oh, you
ra.
have to add.
0 plus 7 chiwana 7 ra. Right? And 4 times 8 chiwana hazurada.
Yeah, put the 7 down.
And then 4 times 9 hazurada. 4 times 8,
32.
32. Very good. 32 shin indishin chare. Last answer as well. This is say fifth question dealing giving the fifth question. This is say 7 times 9 kazura.
7 times 9 is 63.
Yeah, once you get 63, 63 chivana. Lao chimyango. 63 chivana.
My iPad doesn't
Oh my god. Yago common we can't carry like you. Okay, 63 lena 6 wala sha 3 detail kanti. Now you have to do the same thing. 9 times 7 times 9 thambo 9 is 63 less of kone 7 times 9 is 63, right? 63 chiwana. Go add 6 to 63 plus 6 khazura is just
But
you multiply this 7 times 3, right? You get 63. 60 del shamba 3 del chi. Go ne 7 times 9, 63 rua. 63 chin countless 6 tomna hazara. I'm sorry. Because 63 gang 6 tomna hazara. Zu wang domsh.
69.
69 rua. 69 into 9 the wall of teacher 60 gang tigina. Now again 7 times 9 times 7 chiwena 63 gone rua. 63 gang roll gone is 6 tombaina 69 rang jare and it becomes 6933. All right. So go to so the chidandi.
Yes.
Okay. Now, guys, the number 6, question number 6, chair, 7, chair, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. The rest of the question, the count homework in the count of boy giving by na young man chula tangura. The 6.
Lasa gala. Gala.
Now,
What do you mean as the rest of this is our homework?
this rest of the question, number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, the rest of the question you solve chime go do your homework really.
Okay.
Can you take a picture of this?
Okay.
Solve chime next class. When is the next? Oh, it's on Tuesday. Can we do time solve chime? Sure. It's not much, right? Question because it took to. The council solve chime next class like usual. Everybody is done with taking picture. Think someone about get them back.
Yes.
when you did the first one.
La. Oh, get them back.
There's a door.
Okay. This go Jamyang go book and bar. No, Jamyang go watch connection ya okay. Reading the Jipinda. Honey, to you, Joshani. I'll leave you guys here today. Thank you
Okay.
so much for listening to you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. We
Bye, Dunda.
Chẳng lẽ không biết không phải ghé tôi rồi.
Bye, Gala, and bye, Dunda.
bye.
La?
Thì không có gì phải ghé tôi rồi.
It's backwards. Bye, Gala.
Freeze shut. Bye cái gì đấy.
Gala đi uống ngồi đây cái gala.
Không phải ghé tôi rồi sao? Không chịu qua nhiều con này tiếng của thằng. Mình có freeze shut đó này. I was.
Gala đi. Masuk.
Không chịu qua.
Ni tanggo. Pachin ko pala ni tanggo. Jangan ko Ale par gap saying gala. Matang sugar.
Là gì? Reach now.
Kale gala patang sutang ji. Ale
Okay. Bye bye guys. Take care.
Bye. Bye. Bye, Dunda.